Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Hotmail account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to sign up for Hotmail, go click open any web browser first. In the URL box, type in www.hotmail.com and press the enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the official website of Hotmail. Now, from the official website, click on Create Free Account in order to sign up. Enter a new email address that you want to use for your Hotmail account. Now, click on the Next button and create a password for your account on the next page. Once you do that, you can double check your password by clicking on this eye icon or click on the Show Password box to reveal the password. If you'd like information, tips and offers about Microsoft products and services, leave this box checked. If not, uncheck this box and click on Next button. Now, enter your first name in the first text field and then your last name on the next. Now click on Next. Select your country or your region from the drop-down, enter your birthday information, and click on Next. You'll need to solve a puzzle so that Microsoft knows that you're not a robot. To do so, click on Next and complete the task that has been asked to you. Once you complete all of the tasks, you'll be taken to the next page. And with this, you have successfully signed up for your Hotmail account or your Outlook account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.